round where we will only do 30 seconds of jumping rope, jump ropes, and 30 seconds of rest. Perfect. Just keep on doing it. Very simple. Increase your heart rate, get ready for the main movement. Superb. It's right now 25 seconds. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Perfect. So now 30 seconds over, 30 more seconds of rest time. So just take some, keep on marching, don't sit down, keep on marching. So the next we'll be going for 30 seconds of jump rope with 30 seconds of body weight workout. Okay, so the first we'll be going up with squats, body weight squats. So I think it's another 10 seconds of rest time. Get ready. We'll do 30 seconds of jump rope and 30 seconds of body weight training. Let's start in 3, 2, 1 and go. Yes. Jump rope is a very good cardio movement where you lose a lot of calories, but be gentle on your foot. You don't have to jump too much up. Keep on doing it. Very good. Superb. I think the time is last 3, 2, 1 and relax. Perfect. Now let's start the timer for 30 seconds of body weight squats. Let's go. Very simple. Keep on doing a squat. When you're going down, you inhale. When you're coming up, you exhale. Let me see the timer. Last 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Very good. Now rest time for 30 seconds. Take rest for next 30 seconds. Okay. I might increase here the speed of the video so that you don't have to wait for 30 seconds. And we'll be starting with the jump rope. This is the third round over for us. We'll be going with the fourth round. Another 10 seconds of rest. Get ready now. We'll go with 30 seconds of jump rope and then we'll be going up with one of the body weight exercise. Let's start in 3, 2, 1 and go. Come on. Yes. Now, if you want to do exercise 6, you can also try to mix it up. Very good. I think time is almost up. Let me see here. Perfect. Time is up. It's 35 seconds. Now we'll be going up for 30 seconds of plank. Okay. So let's start in 3, 2, 1 and go. What you do is just go here, be in a hold. Better option is use the yoga mat, but right now I'm doing it without that. Breathe in and out, keep your core tight. So right now 20 seconds over, last 10 seconds. Perfect. Keep your core tight. 3, 2, 1 and relax. Perfect. That was the plank. Now you take 30 seconds of rest time before you head to the next round. This will be the last final round, fifth round, where we'll go with the jumping jacks, 30 seconds, another body weight exercise, 30 seconds and rest 30 seconds. That's what we will do. Take rest. 15 seconds of rest over, another 15 seconds remaining now. Now you might be a little bit getting sweat. So let's push ourselves for one more round. This, anybody can do it. If you're a beginner, you can just do this. This is hardly taking you 10 minutes to do this exercise with the jump rope. Let's get started with the 5th round. 3, 2, 1 and go. Come on. Superb. Faster, faster, faster. This is the last round. Come on. Push yourself. Come on, faster. I think time is almost over. Yes, it was about 40 seconds. Now we'll be going up with the lunges. This is the next body weight exercise. Very simple. Go forward, touch, go forward. Just try to touch your knee onto the ground. Keep your back straight. Don't lean too much forward. Look forward and do this. 30 seconds of lunges. This is body weight. You don't require any equipment in this. Perfect. So we are right now. Last 3, 2, 1 and relax. So that was 5 rounds of jump rope exercise. So if you just have one jump rope, you can mix and match. You can do any of the body weight exercise. You can do push-up. You can do many things. Sit-ups, crunches, all these things, Russian twist. So that is me. My name is Ravitej. And keep on seeing my videos. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye.